The processed and calculated section can be saved by the generated road section map. Click Export Section, select the comparison group and measurement group data, and select the transverse section to be exported. In the file type, you can select the Export 3D section or 2D section, and finally set the section file storage location. This feature supports saving as of csv.shop.dxf formatted file, where .csv format is the general format used inside the software, and read when importing the design section. Section data in the .csv format, .dxf and .shop are two vector files that support the import of third-party software. Use the .dxf file, for example, for export. For the DXP format section, select the output path and file type, and click Set. Open the file in the CAD to display the section file.